Every smile you're giving them feels like something